The biggest expenses retirees often overlook: planning for unexpected costs. Planning for your golden years isn't just about saving, it's about sidestepping surprises that can upend your budget. Unexpected costs are a real threat to retirement peace, with healthcare leading as the top expense. From Medicare premiums to long-term care, healthcare is a heavy hitter for the budget-conscious retiree. According to federal statistics, retirees spend an average of $4,300 monthly, but this hinges on personal choices and health. Fortunately, you have options, such as annuities that provide a financial safety net with steady income, inflation protection, and even help with long-term care. It's not too late to prepare for the hidden costs of retirement that could jeopardize your financial security.
Take control of your financial future. Visit our website or call us today.